Majida Namahrotman, welcome back to our channel. Kamlam Museko. Bafit Orlando Pirates have announced 4 new signings. Bafit Orlando Pirates have hit shots. Bashai Tonga. Ba is it 4? Ba. This is Orlando Pirates, and they are Orlando Pirates right now. And some of these signings I've spoken about them in the past few days or last week. Pirates, the party players they are signing. Now they've confirmed the signings bafethu, and video I'm going to tell you more about these players and what they bring to Orlando Pirates. This is a new midfielder, central defender, and a winger, and a striker. Let me start from back to front. Amachita central defense of Bangani Zulu, central defender so Richards Bay. Who coach Abdeslam Wade betitile last week after they win his titles or threaten the media. What about Coach Abdeslam like Zinoni Obalangazo in terms of ufuna zona for improve his squad next season? What watch ba ufuna physicality, ufuna players namandla for the CAF Champions League. Over last season you are born my Paris grand into his needs, but physical power eating up a team in in modern football bafethu. Hugo Bros wins the same thing like Bafana I think on 2021. What figure about Hugo Bros Bafana from man. The talent corner but in modern football bafethu. Modern football funeka bekhona amandla ne height. Modern football bafethu. Abanye abantu abakwazi abanye abantu bazi football fans abakarealize leyo kwenye abakayamkeli leyo bathi ibholini wathetha amandla nendoni. Ibhola itshintshile bafethu. Europe ibonakala kakhulu lonto. Abona kudala ni ebholeni ezi players ezincane ezintswembu kakhulu like ezine technical, ezi players ezimfitshane ezinebhodi encinci ezazine skill ebholeni. But ngoku modern football yatshintsha ngoku. Iplayers ezikhoyo ngoziphumayo kwibhola ngoku, italent ezikhoyo zinazo zonke izinto. Qala yayiba ngumuntu omfitshane fast, but ngoku iplayer kwazi say a play enkulu but say be fast benas ne skill. Modern football ke le Hugo Bros bafana fana kuze improve waza ne physical. Hugo Bros naye bafana fana kuze improve waza ne physical power by back, both not a back both team yonke yabona i central defense phana kwakhomvala nokekana. Ngoku ukho Oluthi Makhanya, ukho Mbale out Ime Ogon plus no siyabongezana bedlala phana ne midfield o talent mbatha yakho mncinci, uSiphephelo Sithole yakho mncane, oMakhoba yabo. So Orlando Pirates Abdeslam Wade naye so ulandela lona ubonile ba okay wasayina play njena Sibangani Zulu u22 semncane umjida and kuse in physical power in the lena and inamandla futhi and quick and inase skill. Modern football the players zinjalo bafethu. Umchita first this was his second season last season in Betway Premiership. Waqala ufika wadlala iRoyal AM, wasoke iRoyal AM last season wadlala iRichards Bay oba regular phana. Now he's at Orlando Pirates. Uzocompete nobani phana central defense. Ongosinathi Sidisi lebone CM top player yami. If you know this channel yazi CM is my player that one, and I won't be surprised by your overseas layana big different class last season. Sibangani Zulu going to Sinai business relationship is solid in Richards Bay ngokubintithile ngayo in previous videos, but relationships ibalekile the football business. Orlando Pirates not just with the Golden Arrows but ngoku in a business rate in Richards Bay. They've signed ngosikhona ndaba last season plus no Yanela Muthuma ngoku nanku efika uSibangani Zulu. A player bafika Orlando Pirates ngoku yo yabo kwe yonke le list bafiti Orlando Pirates signings z4 zanamhlanje. This guy has deserved it bafethu. Le out uGambani Lungu usoke siwelele uGambani Lungu usoke siwelele le out yaseZambia. He's what 27 ngoku, so he okay prime career yakhe umjida. Le out has been kudala isebenza le out baby. He's been kudala isebenza le out ebaleni bafethu. He deserves this. Umjida waqala ukwenza ispan kwa SuperSport United wasana uKevin Hunt from Zambia. Ebedlala as a winger, and then ngoku late last season coach esiwelele i-coach esiwelele uCM wamconverter umjita to a striker. Yole out here shy 5 goals in 7 games as a striker. Umjita, like in modern football, the way he plays umjita, he fits the modern striker umjita. He's hard running, he doesn't stop running, he presses very, very high, and he's clinical when he gets a chance. He's very similar to Yanela Mbutuma, but Orlando Pirates have signed him, and he's just more clinical compared to Mbutuma in Umchita. But I think the pressing level, it's different in terms of the hard running and the hard work. But Yena Ulungu, I think, is just more clinical in front of goal. He deserves the move to Orlando Pirates. Well done to Umchita. And then another player Bafethu Isane Orlando Pirates, I've spoken about him umjita pha kwezi videos egqithileyo. Le out isiwake siwelele nayo. Ubohlale Ngwato, ingqeqe yewinga. Also he plays as a number 10. I think the out is going to be a potential replacement of Police okanye Mofokeng. One of them bayahamba kanye bobethu bayahamba. Ungwato uziphana umjita, technical ability umnandi, clean. He's like a talented player, typical South African player, very skillful, very quick. But I'm not sure if he's ready to play as a number 10. Number 10, most of the players before the number 10, they only played like 12 games last season. So get TTC. So experience is not that much. I think the move is a bit too early. Sometimes only the Pirates has a bit signing players too early. The out football field, I think signing Yayo is a bit too early, in my personal opinion. I don't know, Pirates are sometimes. The out last season I like 12 games for Isiwelele, so I get TTC. Pirates are sometimes signing players too early. But I must prove wrong sometimes. But I must prove wrong sometimes. It's a way, but we play and let deal as you say, but it's a successful. The out, I don't think they're ready. A potential replacement for our Police no Mofokeng, especially Mofokeng. Actually, but not so much Mofokeng because I don't think they're ready for number 10, especially for Orlando Pirates. The players needs number 10 because of the position attacking midfielder. Most of the players right on your left the most while they're gaining experience as a footballer. And again, once you have a lot of experience, so you go level into him like you are just. Because number 10 position like it's here because it's a very congested area pana. Space pana, so you be clever and you be very pana. Decision making quick in tight spaces, ne passing yako. So as a footballer, number 10 if you make it high level, you be best player ki team yako actually. Number 10 bafethu ngamashumi siyazi bafethu ipotasa landela ibhola. Xa u10 ulishumi bafethu wena player iclever kakhulu eteamini yakho. So I don't think le out ungwato ebo eteamini yakho. So I don't think le out ungwato sefika level ba ingafika Orlando Pirates but I don't think the out ungwato ingafika Orlando Pirates beyona player eyona iclever ivelti kakhulu ngengqondo ebholeni phaka Orlando Pirates. Umjita nangaphi na 20 le out still too early okanye izoqala idlale esidini wing. Maybe after 2 seasons ngadlala as a number 10. Pirates maybe zasana on your number 10 bafethu sobona. And then bafethu another signing Orlando Pirates eyenzileyo. Another Pirates, and then any signing bafethu Orlando Pirates eyenzileyo bethethele ngayo last week, midfielder number 6, defensive midfielder, but they can also push forward modern football bafethu. Midfielders afuneka ube ngumuntu omaka qha. Orlando Pirates Pirates had a very good number 6 last season or in the season before that. But I say modern football, but he did not count enough front. Modern football bafethu afunekanga umake qha. Yabona Kaizer Chiefs khona umthetho njeyana oximthethwa. Like Kaizer Chiefs yabona idinga abanye number 6 ngoku phela kudlala omnye umuntu Paul Lebohang Mabopi because it's modern football awukwazi bakusijonga usistopper qha uyamaka qha. Unekwazi uye front excel ucreator play create moves udlala ibhola just push forward, create attacks, fike kiboxing ushayi assist okanye say goals. So Orlando Pirates nayo they improving on Makheheni Makhawula up. Plus na out uSimpiwe Celeb nayo kuseyomtshana upromotiwe Ntswempu. Lena futhi umthetheleli Mtiyane is very similar to Selepe, yes. But now Selepe, it doesn't go forward enough, but it's going to improve. He's still young, he's like 20. Nango Mchita Mtiyane 25 ngoku, from Stellenbosch. Top player, very technical, naye as what echilo. Ufuna physical power, and strength. Mtiyane is technical, is quick. But Mtiyane is technical, is quick, and then Mtiyane is, if Zanga Mugela, is very, very similar to a former player Orlando Pirates. If fans as Mtanda Umchita foot, very similar. Emazo Vieira, Leke Honolo, Malasela, very similar to that player. Umchita fan, Tongo Vieira Klaibizo, Orlando Mtiyane, Bafito. So Orlando Pirates, Kani Yamachita, Zuba, grand, new player, fans Mtanda, Umchita Mtiyane, Bafito. 4 new signings Orlando Pirates, Bafito. Let's speak in the comments bafethu amapakaniya ashaya into zabo. Cela ngale support the channel bafethu ngo like, when you subscribe. Moja.